My name's Paul Bell, and I recommend the Roofing Dudes to take care of your roof.
Hey, this is Philip with the Roofing Dudes. Today we're out here with Mr. Paul. We just did his roof. We're out here in Liberty Park in beautiful Vestavia Hills, Alabama. We just wanted to get Paul's words on what it was like working with the Roofing Dudes.
Very easy. Robbie stayed in constant contact. I literally talked to him every other day. The back office staff let us know when HOA had approved, when they had gotten the various licenses required, and then they showed up the day that they said they were going to show up and got it done, and it was easy. Without question, the customer experience was great.
So what we did here on Paul's roof, we did an architectural shingle. We also are in the process of getting ready to replace cedar siding on the side of his house. What sets us apart of the Roofing Dudes is we have an intense focus on the customer experience. So what we do is we provide an on-site production coordinator, which is different than most companies. A lot of times they'll have a sales guy who's out there trying to make sure everything is up to code and quality, make sure the right color is going to get installed on your house. We don't like to leave that up to our salespeople. We actually like to have somebody who is highly trained in what's the proper code, what is the specifications from the shingle manufacturer, and making sure that everything that is done on the roof is top quality, so that way you have the peace of mind that your roof will not leak. Something else that sets us apart is we pull permits. I've talked to countless roofing owners in the area. They do not pull permits. And a lot of times you can't pull a permit if you don't have a home builder's license, or at the very least a roofing license. And we also carry workers' compensation insurance and general liability insurance. Now, why is that important? So if they drop something from the roof onto your car and it's damaged, that insurance will help cover that. And with workers' comp, it's important because if somebody gets hurt on your roof, they say they fall off and they get severely injured, they can't come after you and sue you. We have the insurance that protects you from being sued from an unlicensed roofing contractor. So do yourself a favor, do your homework. We love it when our customers do their homework, because if you do your homework, you're gonna find good things about the Roofing Dudes. If you're looking for a top quality roof with somebody who has an intense customer focus, give the Roofing Dudes a call at 205-732-7231, or you can go online, fill out a quick online form at www.theroofingdudes.com. Thank you and God bless.